What's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of FPL Scanner, only on Mavzone Sports. In this episode, we will continue with the review of a player who I think may be suitable addition to anyone's fantasy team. Today, we are going to discuss about a player who may become a Liverpool legend in the future. Have Liverpool found their very own Cristiano Ronaldo? Let's discuss. So, we are talking about the Portuguese forward Diego Jota. He was one of the few signings that Liverpool have made in this season from Wolves for a fee which is estimated to reach up to £45 million. Primarily, Jota plays as a forward, but the Fantasy Premier League has listed him as a midfielder, giving a high potential of points return. Jota's Wolves career has been quite accomplished, but less illustrious when compared to the likes of Raul Jimenez, who stole the limelight for the better part of the past two seasons. What Liverpool scouts have seen so far has been missed by many. Jota has scored a total of 46 goals in all competitions for Wolves in a total of 134 appearances. His performances for Wolves after their promotion into the Premier League for the 2018-19 season saw him record 9 goals and 8 assists. The following season, he had contributed to a total of 7 goals and 3 assists for his team. On the FPL front, Jota has amassed a total of 105 points and 139 FPL points in the past two seasons. Since his arrival at Anfield, Diego Jota has been appearing on and off for Liverpool, as Jurgen Klopp is trying to find the perfect balance in his team. He made his Premier League debut against Arsenal, where he scored a goal in his 10-minute cameo. Since then, he has played the full 90 minutes only twice in 5 Premier League appearances. However, he has featured in all the 3 Champions League games for Liverpool so far in the group stages and has scored 4, with the latest game away at Atlanta proving to be a jewel in the crown, where he scored a hat-trick to give Liverpool a 5-0 victory. Looking at his Premier League stats so far, he has played a total of 6 games and, having been involved in 304 minutes, he has scored 3 goals already. His minutes per goal currently stands at 101, which may improve with more appearances. Overall, he has a total of 7 goals in 9 appearances for Liverpool. The game between Manchester City and Liverpool was a real indicator for Jota's influence in the Reds lineup. With his showing in Italy, Jota featured against City from the beginning of the game and played the full 90 minutes. Coupled with Firmino's dip in form in front of the goal, Jota has an opportunity to seal his spot in Red's starting 11. Do you think he is a star in the making? Now, let us have a look at Liverpool's next 5 fixtures to make a rough estimate of Jota's potential points return if he plays all these games. In game week 9, Liverpool play Leicester at home. This is a tricky fixture with both the teams vying for the top spot in the Premier League, but whoever comes out on top would definitely deserve it. Next, we see the Reds travelling to Brighton. This game may give Jota a chance to shine on the Premier League stage. Game week 11 welcomes his old team Wolves. This might give him a chance to show Nuno Espirito Santo what he has missed this season. Next up, Liverpool have an away fixture at Craven Cottage. With Fulham's current form, this seems to be an easy game and has potential for goals. Finally, game week 13 features the game between Liverpool and Tottenham. This game should be an absolute thriller or a goalless stalemate. What are your thoughts on this? Please drop in a comment below. Let us now look at Diego Jota in terms of his FPL performance. Being a Liverpool player, he definitely has a potential to shine and also pick up the odd points from clean sheets as well. So far, he has accumulated a total of 28 points out of 6 games. His ownership among the FPL managers currently stands at 8.4%, which is going to increase if he gives another stellar performance. His value has also risen to £6.5, which stood at 6.4 only last day. Do you think you should give him a chance or take a miss? Please tell us your views. With this, I will wrap up today's player review on FPL Scanner. Who would you guys like me to review in the next episode? Your suggestions are always invited. That's it for now. Thank you very much. See you soon and stay safe.